Have you ever felt discouraged in life and feeling that all your efforts are meaningless? Relationships, business, education, you can't manage and you feel like giving up in life? I once witnessed a bird constructing her nest, and the bird was constructing her nest at the farthest end of a branch. I watched this bird fetching grass one at a time from the farthest distance, bringing every moment, every hour, every minute to fix the nest that she was constructing on a tree. The bird wanted to construct the nest so she can secure her eggs. Moment after moment, she fetched this grass, bringing to the nest. Almost on completion, when the nest was almost complete, because the nest was being constructed at the farthest end of the branch, a great wind came and blew off the branch and fell down with all the efforts of this bird. The bird came to finish up the nest, finding that the branch had already fallen down, no nest. The bird got disappointed and discouraged. But she could not let the grass fall off the beak, but she started constructing another nest. Consistently, she built the nest, fetching grass again, one after another, one at a time, and constructed the nest until she finished constructing the nest, and she secured her eggs. If the bird had gotten tired and felt that she's challenged and she can't go on constructing the nest, she will not have reached that optimum level of securing her eggs. Sometimes you may feel challenged, tired, and feel that life has reached the end for you. Remember the bird constructing the nest. You may fail in the business now. It does not mean if you start another one, you will fail. You may fail in one relationship, you may fail in one career, but doesn't mean you are unable to try another option. There are hundreds and thousands of other options available for you. Do not give up. Move on tirelessly and you will finish your nest. Remember, they normally say that if plan A fails, try plan B. And remember, there are 26 letters of alphabet. If B fails, there is C until Z. You won't fail in all. Keep on keeping up and you will succeed.